Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got the tough job of cutting through metal, you're gonna need a really good saw blade. This is a DEWALT 5.5-inch circular metal cutting saw blade. We paired this with a DEWALT metal cutting saw and it does an amazing job. This saw blade is crafted with 12% titanium carbide and it is super strong. It has really sharp teeth and they do an awesome job of cutting through metal. We cut it through some steel that was pretty thick and it did an amazing job. Super smooth cuts, there was no catching or anything like that. My husband uses these saw blades all the time in cutting a variety of different types of steel and different thicknesses, and it always does an amazing job and he's super happy with it. They're easy to switch out on the DEWALT saw using just an Allen wrench. They kind of pop in, pop out, and overall we are really happy with this product. So if you're looking to do some metal cutting with a circular metal cutting saw, you should definitely check out these DEWALT blades. They're at excellent quality, and that's my point of view.